Hello friends, I Dr. Revit Rukmani from Sher Institute of Technology, College of Engineering. Today we are going to see the basic operator in Python. What types of basic operator available in Python? See here, Python language supported following types of operator: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical or relation operator, assignment operator, and conditional, also called a ternary operator. Same like C languages, Python also available basic operator, that is arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, comparison operator, that is less than, greater than, equals to, logical operator, that is AND gate or gate, assignment operator, that is a less than, greater than, equals to, and conditional, some of the condition assigns. See, we will detail in one by one. Python arithmetic operator. First operator available in addition. What actually addition operator? That is a adds value on either side of the operator. Example given here, a plus b will be give 30. Then subtract right hand operator from left hand operator. Example given, a minus b will give minus 10. That is, consider a equal to 10 and b equal to minus 20. That is, a minus b equal to minus 10. Third operator, multiplication, multiplies value on either side of the operators. A multiplied b will give the 200. Next operator, divisions, divides left hand operand by right hand operand. That is, b by a will give the 2. Modulus, divides left hand operand by right hand operand and return remainder. That is, b modula a will be give 0. Exponentials, that is a perform exponential power calculation on operator. That is a example given here, a exponential b will give 10 to the power of 20. Next operator available, that is a floor, that is a floor division, the division of operand where the result is a quotient in which the digits after the decimal point are removed. That is, 9 floor 2 is equals to 4 and 9.0 floor 2.0 is equals to 4.0. That is, floating point also available in your particular operator, that is floor divisions. Again repeat, arithmetic operator available in Python: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentials, and floor divisions. Next, Python comparison operator available. First available, that is a equals to. What is equals to meaning of that? Check if the value of two operand are equal or not. If yes, then condition become a true. See here carefully. If what are first difference between operator and operand? Operator, that is called as your symbols, plus, minus, equals to, such type of a. An operand called as the value, whatever the value given that particular variable, that is called as your operand. That is here a and b, that is called as your operand, and equals to called as your operators. That is a equals to is not a true. In second operator available comparison, that is a not equals to. Check if the value of two operand are equal or not. If value are not equal, then condition become a true. That is, a not equal to b is a true. Third comparison operator available in Python: check if the value of two operand are equal or not. If value are not equal, then condition become a true. A less than, greater than b is a true. This is similar to the not equals to operators. Next comparison operator in Python: greater than, that is a check if the value of left operand is greater than the value of right operand. If s, then condition becomes true. Less than, check if the value of left operand is less than the value of right operand. If s, then condition become a true. A greater than, see the example, greater than and less than. If a is greater than b is not a true, and less than a less than b is a true. Then greater than equals to, check if the values of left operand is greater than or equals to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition become a true. Example for this, greater than equals to a greater than equals to b is not a true. Less than equals to, check if the value of left operand is less than or equals to the value of right operand. If yes, then condition become a true. Example of this, a less than equal to b is a true. This is we see in first theory, then after we see the practically how to perform that particular operator in programming. I again repeat, comparison operator, equals to, not equals to, less than, greater than equals to, greater than, less than, greater than equals to, less than, equals to. Next operator available Python in assignment operator. That is an assignment. First operator, that is equals to simple assignment operator, assign a values from right side operand to the left side operand. That is the example given. C equal to a plus b will assign a value of a plus b into c. That is a meaning of that equal to operator. Assign a value from right side operand to the left side. Here right side operand available a plus b. Whatever the value available a plus b, assign a into the variable left side variable. That is a operand. C is a left side operand. That is a assign a plus b value into c. That is assign a value of a plus b into c. Next operand, add and. Assignment operator, it adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to left operand. See, it adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. That means C add and equals to A is equivalent to C equal to C plus A. Correct? Same available subtract and assignment operator. It subtract right operand from the left operand and assign the result to left operand. C subtract and A is equals to C equal to C minus A. Correct? Same happen with multiply. Multiply and assignment operator, it multiplies right operand with the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. C multiplication equal to A is the equivalent to C equal to C multiplication A. Divide by equals to divide and assignment operator, it divides left operand with the right operand and assign the result to the left operand. That is a C divide equals to A equivalent to C equal to C divided by A. Modulus equals to, next operator available is modulus equals to, it is used for, it takes modulus using two operand and assign the result to the left operand. That meaning, example see here, C modulus equals to A is equivalent to C equals to C modulo A. Next operator, exponential and, that is used for that perform a exponential power calculation on operators and assign value to the left operand. C exponential equals to A is equivalent to C equals to C exponential A. Then floor division equals to and assign a value, performs floor division on operators and assign a to the left operand. That is C floor division, A is equivalent to C floor A. I again repeat assignment operator in available Python. Simple assignment operator, add and, subtract and, multiply and, divide and, modulus and, exponential and floor division and assign a value. Next operator available in Python, that is a bitwise operator. That is your related for binary. First operator available, that is ampersand. Binary and operator copies a bit to the result if it exists in both operand. Example given, A and B will give the 12, which is 000 and 1100 in the binary format. Okay. Then second binary OR operator, meaning of that, copies a bit if it is exit in either operand. A or B will give the 61. See the example, A or B will give the 61, which is 0011 is a 6 and 1101, that is a 1 4, that is 61 total. Then binary XOR operator, meaning of that, this XOR operator copies the bit if it is set in one operand but not both. That is A. XOR operator B will give the 49, which is 0011 0001. Then complementary, that is binary operator, is unary and has a effect of flipping bits, will give -60, then which is 1100 and 0011. Then binary left shift operator, left operand value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. That is A less than 2 will give the 240, which is 1111 0000. And greater than binary right shift operator, the left operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. That is A greater than 2. That is a shift in operator, right shift operator. That is a gives a 15, which is example given 000 and 1111. Shifting of that bitwise. That is binary left shift operator and right shift operator. What happened in binary left shift operator? Left operand value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. And reverse of this, in right shift operator, the left operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Okay, I once again repeat, bits-wise operator available in Python: binary, AND operator, OR operator, XOR operator, ones complement operator, left shift operator and right shift operator. Then logical operator available in Python. Just like in C language also available 3 types of logical operator: AND, OR, NOT. Same available operator here also. That is a Python logical operator. First available AND, that is called logical AND operator. If both the operand are true, then condition become a true. A and B is a true. If both are the condition true, then operand is true, then condition is become a true. That is A and B is a true. Next, OR operator, that is a logical OR. If any of the two operand are non-zero, then condition become a true. Any one operator is non-zero, then condition is true. That is A or B is a true. And NOT, called logical NOT operator, used to reverse the logical state of its operand. If condition is true, then logical NOT operator will make it false. That is a NOT A and B is a false. Again repeat, logical operator, 3 types of logical operator available in Python: AND operator, OR operator and NOT operator. Next available Python, that is an additional advantage of Python language, that is a membership operator available in Python. In addition to the operator in discussed earlierly, Python has membership operator. What is membership operator? Which is a test for membership in a sequence such as a string, list or tuples. Operator in, what is the in operator? Meaning of in: evaluates to true if it find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. Example 4 is x in a y. Herein result in a 1 if x is a member of sequence y. Not in, second operator available, not in, evaluate to true if it does not finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. See the difference between in and not in. In operator, evaluate to true. When eval is to true, if it finds a variable in the specified sequence. If variable finds in specified sequence, then only true, otherwise false. And not in, evaluate is true if does not find variable specified in sequence and otherwise is false. Getting difference? What is in? If variable in find out in specific sequence, that is in operator. If there is a not find in operator, that is called as a not in. That example given both x not in a y, here not in result in a 1 if x is a member of sequence y. Again operator precedent, what have we seen now till up to operator? That is a exponential, raised to power, then complementary, unary plus and minus. That is the method names for last two, plus at the rate and minus at the rate. Then multiply, divide, modulo and flow divisions. plus minus addition and subtraction, right and left bitwise shift, bitwise and bitwise exclusive or and regular or, comparison operator, equality operator, assignment operator, identity operator, membership operator, and logical operators. These are operators available in Python. That is, identity operator called as is not, membership operator is called as your in not in, and logical operator is called as not or and. The next topic in your Python, that is a if-else statement. In if-else statement, what happen if-else statement? Just like if-else statement you already seen in your C language first year or your diploma level. What happen in if, elif and else if is available here. First see if statement, expression syntax of that. See the right side, if expression colon statement, else colon statement. Whatever you want to statement execute here. See the first if statement. What is if? Syntax of that, if expression colon statement. Example given, variable 1 equals to 100 if var 1 print 1. What 1? Got the true expression value, print var 1. Var 2 equal to 0 if var 2 print 2 got true expression value, print var 2. Finally print 2. Here only example given the your if statement. First example var equal to 100 if var 1 print the value of, okay, 1. Second example if var print the value of var 2. Second example related for your if else. What happen if else? Here var 1 value is given 100 if var 1 print your var value, print 1 got a true expression values, print var 1, else print 1 got a false expression value, print var 1. Again second example var 2 equal to 0 if var 2 print 2 got a true expression value, print var 2, else print 2 got a false expression value, print var 2, and finally statement print, that is if else statement. The next available statement in your Python, that is a nested if elif else. That is a examples var equals to 100 if var less than 200. Here variable assigning value 100. What is condition assigned here? If var less than 200. What is the print? Expression value is less than 200 if var equals to 100. Print as it is value, which is a 150. Second elif var equals to 100, print which is a 100. Third elif var equals to 50, which is a 50. And finally elif var value less than of 50, the print expression value is less than 50. And finally else statement as it is default could not be find a true expression value. And finally print goodbye. That means your nested if elif, that is here if statement you see here if, then your elif, this elif, and finally use for your else statement, that is called as your nested. That means if else, within a if else use your elif, that is called your nested. Getting the difference between if else and nested? Use within the if else statement you can use your elif statement, okay. Here do not use just like C if else if, here use only elif, that is elif. Remember that thing, all student their habit to using just like C syntax if else, but here not use else if, here use only elif, elif. Remember that thing. Next, single statement suits. What is a single statement suit available in Python? If the suit of the if clause consists only a single line, it may go on the same line as the header statement. You have a single statement available, that is called as the single statement suit. If expression equals to 1 colon, print value of expression is a 1, okay. Then Python while loop statement. Second, first is if else, then while loops. What is while loop in Python? The while loop is a one of the looping construct available in Python. The while loop continues until the expression becomes else. The while loop continue till the expression become a false. The expression has to be logical expression and must return either a true or false value. The syntax of the while loop is as following: while expression statement. What is syntax? Remember the syntax: while expression statement. Example of this: count equal to 0. If you mention count equal to 0, while count less than 9, okay, see, while count less than 9, print the count is colon and count plus 1, finally print goodbye. Okay, that is simple defining using that syntax. That is your while expression and your statement. Your while condition define expression and your statement. What is your statement? The count is, what is count? Well, that is a count plus 1. The infinite loops. Python available infinite loop. You must use caution when using the while loops because of the possibility that this is condition never resolved to a false value. This result in a loop that never ends. Such a loop is called as a finite loop. A finite loop might be useful in a client-server programming where the server needs to run continuously so that client program can communicate with it as and when required. Following loop will continue till you enter the control plus C. That is simple. While var equals to equal to 1. That is what while var equal to 1. This construct infinite loop. That is num equal to raw input, enter a number, print, you enter whatever your number, enter num, and finally goodbye statement. Then single statement should similar to the if statement syntax. If your while clause consists only a single statement, it may be placed on a same line as while later. Here the syntax of one line while clauses, while expression and statement. Same as your if statement, one single line suited available in while, that is a while expression and statement. Then for loop. In Python also you can define a for loop. That is a what for loop? The for loop in a Python has ability to iterate over the items of any sequences such as a list or a string. The syntax of the loop look like for iterate, string, underscore, var in sequence and statement. Example for letter in Python. First example, print current letter and letter. Fruits, what are the fruits available? Banana, apples and mango. For fruits in a fruits colon, that is a syntax for fruits in fruits. Okay, then print current fruit and finally again iterating by sequence index, alternative way of iterating through each items, each by index offset into the sequence itself. That is a fruit, banana, apple, mango. For index I in range, another defining for loop. For index I in a range, that will be defining index in length and fruits, print current fruit and fruits of index. Then next statement available in Python, that is a break statement. What is break statement? Break statement is a Python terminate the current loop and resume the execution at the next statement, just like the traditional break found in C. For example, for letter in Python, if letter equals to h, break this current letter. Okay, that is first example. If you want to break the letters h up to h, automatically break. Then print current letter, var equals to 10, file. See the second example, var equal to 10, file var greater than 0, print current variable value var equals to var minus 1. If var equals to 5, colon, break and statement. Continue statement. The continue statement, in first statement, that is only you break your statement. Here continues your statement. Continue statement in Python returns the control to the beginning of the while loop. The continue statement rejects all the remaining statement in the current iteration of the loop and moves the control back to the top of the loop. Example for letter in Python, if letter h continue, print current letter Second example, same example, that is a while var greater than 0, var equal to var minus 1. If var equal to 5, continue current variable value and var. Final statement available in Python, the else statement used with loops. The Python support have an else statement associated with loop statement. If the else statement is used with a for loop, the else statement is executed when the loop has exhausted iterating the list. If the else statement is used with the while loop, the else statement is executed when the condition becomes false. See here examples. For num in range 10, 20, for I in range 2, num, that is the first statement to iterate between 10 to 20. For I in range 2, num, to iterate on the factors of the number. If num modulo I equals to 0, determine the first factor in condition, that is j equal to num divided by I, to calculate the second factor. Print equals to numbers. Break your statement first to move the next number, and first for else part of the loop, that is finally print number in a try. Next statement available in Python, that is a pass statement. The pass statement in a Python is used when statement is a required syntactically, but you do not want any command or code to execute. The pass statement is a null operation. Nothing happens when it executes. The pass is also useful in a places where your code will eventually go, but has not been written yet. Examples in stuff, for example, for letter in Python, if letter H pass, print this pass block, print current letter H. That means, see example, Python your letter given, if letter, which letter you want to pass, that up to H. That means if letter equals to H pass, print this pass block, print current letter and finally print. Okay, thank you.